Overworked? Overtired? I feel you. No matter how much I sleep, I'm still feeling this fatigue.
Here are combinations of Chinese herbs that will blend nicely with a warming basic chicken herbal soup to replenish qi and blood. Qi deficiency shows up as overly tired even after sufficient sleep. It can also show up as feeling weaker than normal or having no to poor appetite or fatigue. Blood deficiency can show up as having pale lips, cold hands and feet, dizziness, or trouble sleeping.
Both of these are often caused by overworking and overstress, extreme physical exertion, chronic disease, or weak immune systems.
You can use any of these herbs with chicken breast as the simplest option, although you can also use a whole chicken or chicken thighs or chicken bones. I will buy and freeze a whole bunch of chicken breasts for the simple soup. I'll actually put them into my soup pot completely frozen and add in the herbs and cold water and allow that to boil. The chicken breast is clean, relatively fat-free, and warming when paired with these herbs. Here are the herbs you can consider to make this warming basic chicken herbal soup. The key design of the herbs are that they are relatively more warm in nature, are dried so have good shelf life, can be taken with you even when you're traveling to make a tea if you don't have access to a stove or soup pot. Use a simple hot water thermos for your traveling needs. All replenish qi or blood as a feature of the herb, are quite common ingredients used in soups and teas and can be found in your local Asian supermarkets or herbal shops. I love dried red dates or jujubes. They are warming, sweet, and support the spleen and stomach. My go-to dried herb for qi deficiency. It helps with fatigue, restlessness, and insomnia, calming the spirit and tonifying blood and qi. Dried lingzi or reishi mushrooms are amazing for qi deficiency. They're slightly sweet and also perfect for insomnia. Dried licorice root is neutral and sweet and also perfect for qi deficiency. They're often paired with symptoms of cough and pain and dispels toxicity while nourishing the qi. Another sweet favorite of mine is the dried dragon eyes or longans. Warming, sweet, and a great tonic herb for blood deficiency. It also nourishes the blood and relieves fatigue and calms the spirit. Dried cottonopsis root or dangshan is also considered the poor man's ginseng. It's neutral and sweet and tonifies the qi, helping reduce fatigue and cough. And fresh ginger, which you can find almost everywhere. This warming ingredient helps circulate blood and qi. Use any of these together or separately with the chicken breast and 7 cups of water in a ceramic or glass pot. Cover and boil on medium heat for at least 2 hours. My priority ingredients are always going to be the red dates and fresh ginger. Salt as needed and serve and enjoy. This soup is so delicious and perfect for the whole family. I will make this monthly for me and my daughters post-period. It's perfect to replenish the blood and qi during these moments.
Happy soup making, and I'll see you next time.